Can you sell? So I'll give you this. I'll make it simple. One of the top 4 people I love in sales is a homeless person. I love them. They're on a corner. They have a good mindset. Do you know how much a homeless person can make on a street corner? Just out there with a sign. Do you know how much they can make per day?
No.
$300, $700 with a good mindset. Now, not all of them. I'm saying there's people out there with mental illness, really bad. But I mean, we're normal people. We're only a couple paychecks away from being the same people, realistically. Like it can happen to any one of us. We could be homeless at any time, right? It can happen. The main thing of it is when they sell you, when they ask you for the money, what do you get in return?
You feel good that you help.
No, what do you get in your hand? What do you get from a business standpoint? What product do you get? Nothing. Nothing. So a homeless person is selling nothing, right? You get nothing, right? A good feeling. You can't pay rent with a feeling. So you get nothing in return. They're making 300, 700. That's why you don't see them out there every day. And the reason that they're good at sales is because they're focused on what they want. They don't care what they look like. They don't care what their family say. They don't have a website. They don't have Instagram. They might have a cell phone. They don't have a business. They don't have a fax machine. They don't have a bank account. They don't have any of these other distractions in their life. They're just focused on asking. And they ask over and over and know they're going to get rejected over and over and over and over. And they play the numbers game. Now you're stressed going to work, trying to figure out how to pay your coffee bill, how to pay your electric and all this other stuff, trying to sell your little product, maybe making $200 a day, $300 a day, right? $9,000 a month, trying to do that. They're making that. And the difference between them and you, they're in sales just like you, is that they're focused on the sale. They're not worried about anything else. They're not worried about their family, what they look like, what they smell like, what they think about, nothing. If you're able to focus like that in your business, you can make a tremendous amount of money just with that mindset. So when I say I work with the mindset, if you could be that person and you have a good product, there's nothing you can't do. But most people don't understand that. They focus on marketing, what I do. And I want to go to Expo and show myself on Instagram and all this kind of other, like whatever, man. Like clothes, sell your product. Make sense?
That's a perfect example. That's you see a lot of the objections that people have to selling. Well, what are other people gonna think? I don't want to bother nobody.
A homeless person is selling what, Priscilla?
Just selling you to feel good, I guess. Not even that. They want what they want. They want what they want, and they're gonna get it. And if it's not from you, it's from the next person behind you. How do you handle objections? That's the next thing. We know it's a numbers game. You probably only gonna get 3 from 100. But okay,
right.
To get to those 3,
right.
How do we handle objections?
So the concept of the mindset is that most people don't even get to the 100. So for example, I had a team. I said, I don't want you to get the yeses. I want 100 no's. But you have to do the sales process perfectly. You have to know the process. So most people don't have a process. So how are they supposed to deal with objections if they don't have a process? They have no weapons. It's like you going on a football field not knowing any plays. You're going to get your butt kicked. No matter if you have a good product or not. And so most people don't have the mindset. Remember, 80% of sales is what? Confidence. It might not be for you, but I'm selling something that's going to help everybody in the world. So I have to move like that. My mindset is objections are going to happen. My sales process is front loaded where you don't deal with objections because you want referrals. It's smooth all the way through. So I ask you in the end, does it sound like a winner? Does it sound like the way you want to go? I want to think about it. We go through that. Priscilla, it sounds like this is not exactly for you, even though you told me some things and it's not what I think it is for you. But let me ask you, what are 3 to 5 people that I know that I can contact tomorrow and probably help, even though I can't help you, right? Always selling. I've went through and sold 3 people from somebody I did not sell, that I didn't have to market to. I didn't have to know friends on Facebook, Instagram, and I sold them from somebody that didn't buy from. So you're always selling. So people don't understand the sales of a mindset. That homeless person doesn't have a product. Does he not care? You could tell a person, you're going to go out there and ask for money and not give anything in return? Like, yeah. Like, are you crazy? You're going to get rejected. Yeah. No, you can't do that. You don't have a problem. You look how you dressed. Your hair's not good. You don't have a voice. You got a cardboard box cut out with something on it that says, that's not going to work. These guys are kicking your butt on a regular basis.
I love it. We could end there.